In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download and install Google Chrome for free, step by step. Once your browser is open, click into the address bar at the top of the screen, type google.com/Chrome, then press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the official Google Chrome download page. When the page loads, look for the blue button that says Download Chrome. Click that button to begin downloading the installer file. Depending on your browser settings, the download may start immediately, where you may be asked to confirm the download first. If that happens, simply continue with the download. After the file finishes downloading, you will need to locate it on your computer. In most cases, it will appear in your Downloads folder. On Windows, the file is usually named chromesetup.exe. Next, run the installer file. On Windows, double-click chromesetup.exe to open it. If a pop-up appears asking whether you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes. At that point, the installation process will begin. Make sure your internet connection stays active while Chrome installs, since some systems may need to download additional files during setup. This usually only takes a short time. Once the installer finishes, Google Chrome should open automatically, or it will be available from your desktop, Start menu, or Applications folder depending on your computer. That covers everything you need to know.